ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ I am welcoming you to the online classes, and we are in the third session of application of derivatives. ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ನಾನು ಏನು ಓದ್ತೀನಿ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ಕ್ಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ. Now I am going to find the slope of normal and as well as some special cases of tangent. ಅಥವಾ tangent ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲವು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ನ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ಕರ್ವ್ which are in the parametric form. X is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta, at theta is equal to pi by 4. So what is the given problem? Check. What is given here? X is equal to a cos cube theta. Correct enough? And what is the value of y? Is equal to a sin cube theta. Shall I differentiate? Differentiating with respect to theta, which is a parameter, of course. Theta is a parameter for which the variable x and y are represented. Dx by d theta is equal to a constant ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. Differentiation of cos cube theta, first cube differentiate ಮಾಡೋಣ. 3 cos square theta into differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. So shall I simplify? Your dx by d theta should be is equal to minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. That's all. Shall I find y cube? dy by d theta is what check matter. dy by d theta. This is your value of y. Keep a as it is. Differentiation of sin cube theta is 3 sin square theta into differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. If I rearrange that, this is nothing but 3a sin square theta into cos theta. Sin square theta into cos theta. What is your dy by dx? We know that by using parametric cases, dy by dx can be written as dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta anta ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. This is the parametric form of differentiation. So, which is also is equal to, what is your dy by d theta? Here is that 3a sin square theta into cos theta divided by. What is dx by d theta? Minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. Remember, one of the 3a cancel. One of the cos theta cancel, one of the sin theta cancel ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Then what should be your dy by dx is equal to, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಒಂದು sin theta ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಒಂದು cos theta ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. This is your dy by dx. I want to find slope of normal. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ therefore your slope of tangent ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. your slope of normal is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1. So slope of normal is equal to minus 1 divided by, what is your dy by dx? Tan theta at theta is equal to pi by 4. So tan theta at theta is equal to pi by 4. Substitute and get the result. Minus 1 divided by tan pi by 4 is 1. Minus 1 by 1 is minus 1. This is the slope of normal. Got it? So ನನಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, I want to differentiate with respect to some of the parameter and then find dy by dx, then get the slope of normal as b minus 1 by m, minus 1 by m, minus 1 divided by dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1. Got it? So shall I look at one more? Another problem that one. Okay. This is your second problem. This is given to you. Problem. What is the value of x? X is equal to 1 minus a sin theta. So let me differentiate this. Therefore, dx by d theta is equal to 1 is 0 minus a ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. Differentiation of sin theta ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos theta. ಇದೇ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. What is the value of y? b cos square theta ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. b cos square theta ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So what should be your dy by d theta? dy by d theta is equal to b into differentiation of cos square theta is 2 cos theta into differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. If I rewrite that, this should be minus 2b cos theta into sin theta. Get it? So therefore, your dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So definitely the value of dy by dx is equal to, what is the dy by d theta? Minus 2b cos theta into sin theta divided by, what is dx by d theta? Here is this minus a into cos theta. One of the cos theta cancel. Got it? So then your dy by dx should be is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ dy by dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ 2b sin theta by minus a ಅಥವಾ 2b by a into sin theta. This is the term which is remaining here because cos theta ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Minus 2b by minus a, minus and cancel out 2b by a into sin theta. Therefore, your slope of normal is equal to minus 1 by m, athwa which is also is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at the given point x1 comma y1. Got it? Therefore, your slope of normal is equal to minus 1 divided by, what is your dy by dx? 2b by a sin theta. 2b by a sin theta at theta is equal to pi by 2, which is given to you at theta is equal to pi by 2. Clearly is equal to minus 1 divided by 2b by a. Sin 90 is 1. Got it? So simplify ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ a direct shift ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus a divided by 2b. This will be the slope of normal for the second problem. So previous session we learned regarding to find the slope of tangent, and here we are finding the slope of normal for these two problems, right? Write down this please. Well, let me to look at one more important type of problems. Now let me to categorically, specifically ನಾನು ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನು? ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು. ಎರಡನೇದಾದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್. ಮೂರನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ನಾಲ್ಕನೇದು ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್. ಇವು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಾನು ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ so that you came to know those things. I'll read the problem here. Find the points at which the tangent to the curve y is equal to root of 4x minus 3 minus 1 has its slope 2/3. So ನನಗೆ ಕರ್ವ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಜೊತೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕರ್ವ್, ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕರ್ವ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ 2/3. ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ get the points, that's all. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ shall I look at those things? ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ? Done. So what is the given curve? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಕರ್ವ್ ಯಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ y is equal to square root of 4x minus 3 minus 1. Shall I differentiate this? Therefore, your dy by dx is equal to differentiation of root of a function is 1 divided by square root of 4x minus 3 into differentiation of 4x minus 3 ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 4 into x ಗೆ 1, 3 ಗೆ 0 minus what is the differentiation of 1 is 0. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So your dy by dx is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? 2 divided by root of 4x minus 3 at x1 comma y1. At x1 comma y1. So what should be the slope of tangent? Slope of tangent is equal to 2 divided by square root of 4x1 minus 3. 4x1 minus 3. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? So 4x1 minus 3. ನಾನು ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್? I have find the tangent to this curve. Read the problem. ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಓದಿ. You want to find the points to which, look at this, tangent to the curve is 2/3. ಅಥವಾ tangent to the curve has its slope 2/3. ನಾನು ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ? y is equal to root of 4x minus 3 minus 1 ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕರ್ವ್ ಗೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ 2/3 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Got it? So therefore slope of this tangent is 2/3. Slope of the tangent is 2/3. But what is given thing to you? Given slope of tangent is 2/3. Slope is 2/3 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is slope of tangent? Slope of tangent is 2 by root of 4x minus 3. Therefore, 2 divided by root of 4x1 minus 3 should be is equal to 2 divided by 3. Shall I make use of simple mathematical calculations to find x1? ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರಲೇಬೇಕು. ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 4x1 minus 3 should be is equal to 3. ರೈಟ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, squaring on both these sides. So what are you going to get? Root of 4x1 minus 3 whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4x1 minus 3 is equal to 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9. So what is the 4x? So right, the 4x1 should be is equal to 9 plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 9 plus 3 is 12. So definitely the value of x1 is equal to 3. 12 by 4. 12 by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? 3. So now let me substitute the value of x1 in the equation 1. But what is the value of y1? y1 is equal to square root of 4x1 minus 3 minus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. x1 value substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y1 is equal to square root of 4 into what is the value of x1 is 3 minus 3 minus 1. y1 is equal to this will be 4 is 12 minus 3 minus 1. y1 is equal to root 9 minus 1. Correct enough? What is root 9? y1 is equal to root 9 ಅಂದ್ರೆ plus or minus 3 minus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದು. So the value of y1 equal to plus 3 minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ plus 2 ಅಥವಾ y1 is equal to minus 3 minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 4. Therefore your points should be points ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ 3 plus 2 ಒಂದು ಅಥವಾ 3 minus 4 is one more point, right? Got it? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? So write on these things. I will continue few more problems in this session. Write on this. Well, let me look at one more problem. I want to find the points at which the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to x-axis. Remember, the tangent is parallel to x-axis. Tangent is parallel to x-axis. Now let me to remind one concept I will check mind. Look at these things now, right? I will write that if a line y is equal to ax plus b, one equation of length is parallel to x-axis. And what is the condition to be remembered? This will produce a condition that slope of the line is equal to slope of x-axis. Do you know why this happens? First year PUC analytical geometry I will tell you once again. This is the condition. If, remember, this is very important condition for you. If two lines are parallel, then remember slope of each line must be equal to each other. If the two lines are parallel, their slopes must be equal. If two lines are perpendicular, then what is the condition? Then you should remember the condition is product of the slope is equal to minus 1. M1, M2 is equal to minus 1. That is to say, the product of slope is equal to minus 1. Iveru point important. Okay. Idu jotedalli innondu point ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Slope of x-axis, slope of y-axis calculate ಮಾಡೋಣ. Therefore, slope of x-axis is equal to m should be is equal to tan 0, which is nothing but 0. Remember, theta is the angle made by the line with x-axis. ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ x-axis ಜೊತೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಗೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ನಾನು. ಆದ್ರೆ x-axis ಗೆ ಅದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ so slope or the angle is always be 0. Definitely tan theta is tan 0. Slope is equal to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ if I write this one, right, slope of y-axis should be like this now. ಈ ತರ ಇರ್ತದೆ. I want to find slope of y-axis. So what is the angle made by the line y-axis with x-axis? 90 degree. So the slope should be is equal to m, which should be is equal to tan 90 is also is equal to infinity. Now these are most essential points that you should remember. Slope of x-axis 0, slope of y-axis infinity. Athwa slope of a line parallel to x-axis is always 0. Slope of a line parallel to y-axis is always infinity. One more condition: if the two lines are parallel, then their slopes must be equal. If the two lines are perpendicular, then their product of the slope is equal to -1. Now back to this problem. Keep problem. Tangent to the curve. Tangent to the curve. Let me to find slope of tangent to. Slope of tangent to. Y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. This is calculate. Let me to differentiate this. dy by dx is equal to, what is the differentiation of x cube? 3x square minus 3 into what is the differentiation of x square is 2x minus 9. What is the differentiation of x is 1. So what should be the final equation here? 3x square minus 6x minus 9. At the point x1 comma y1. So what will be this slope? In slope establishment 3x1 square minus 6x1 minus 9. Okay. So this is nothing but slope of the tangent to the curve. Slope of the tangent to the curve. Now look at the problem. This tangent is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. And that slope of the tangent is equal to slope of the x-axis. If the two lines are parallel, then their slopes must be equal. So by using that condition, I will redefine the problem like this now. Therefore, slope of the equation 3x1 square minus 6x1 minus 9 should be is equal to slope of x-axis. Slope of x-axis. The tangent to the curve is parallel to x-axis. And that tangent to the curve means to say slope of the tangent to the curve 3x square minus 6x minus 9 is equal to slope of x-axis. Now what is slope of x-axis? Is 0. Definitely 3x1 square minus 6x1 minus 9 should be equal to 0. Find the value of x1. If we divide the equation by 3, x1 square minus 2x1 minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation. I am dividing by 3. 3x1 square by 3, 6x1 by 3, 9 by 3. Now, let me solve this equation. This is a quadratic equation. I will write the equation like this now. x1 square minus 3x1 plus x1 minus 3 is equal to 0. Factorize my quadratic equation. Module equation x1 common thing x1 minus 3 ఉంటుంది. ఇవేళ ప్లస్ 1 కామన్ ತೆಗೆದರೆ x1 minus 3 ఉంటుంది equals 0. Let me take x1 minus 3 as a common factor. ಮಿಕ್ಕ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಗ x1 plus 1 should be equal to 0. Now one of the factors should be 0. Therefore your x1 should be equal to 3 minus 3 ಇರೋದು plus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. x1 plus 1 equals 0 ಆದರೆ x1 is equal to minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. We got 2 2 points for the curve x1. Error point I want to find y1, right? Okay. At x1 is equal to 3, what will happen to y1? y1 is equal to x cube, 3 cube, 27, 3 minus 3 into x square. X is 3 tane, 3 square 9, 9 into 327. Minus 9 into 3, minus 27. Plus 7. Correct or not? So 27 cancel out. Minus 27 is 7 over minus 20. So what will be your first point? Therefore, point x1 comma y1 should be is equal to 3 comma minus 20 is the point, first point. Okay, shall I take one more? Another point at x1 is equal to minus 1. At x1 is equal to minus 1. What will happen to y1? y1 is equal to, right? Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Plus into minus minus 3. Minus into minus plus 9. Plus 7. Okay. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 minus 4 is 12. So what will be the second point now? x1 comma y1 should be equal to minus 1 comma 12 is one more point of contact. So nage ishtu problem ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you should remember these concepts. These concepts ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Very important concept that you should write. You must go through those problems very clearly. Observe this first time ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ tangent ಗೆ slope ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. This is the slope. The tangent is parallel to x axis. And the slope of these two should be equal. Slope of the given curve is this. Slope of x axis is 0. Dividing by 3 and solve the quadratic equations to get the values of x1 and y1. Right? Write on these things and we shall continue few more problems in our next classes now.